Hey, what's up, Joey here. I recently scored a fantastic deal on eBay, a refurbished iPhone 12 Pro in stunning gold color. This beauty set me back just $549 and I'm excited to unbox it. So without further ado, let's dive right in. Alright, let's carefully unbox this. As I open the package, the first thing I notice, there is no eBay certified or refurbished sticker or seal. It's just a box with bubble wrap. Oh well, okay, at least the phone is here and we have a lightning cable. And there it is, the iPhone 12 Pro in all its glory. This is the 128 gigs variant. But before we get carried away, let's take a closer look and inspect this device. Let me check it from the front. I see no scratches, no imperfections, no damage. That is good. And the gold finish is absolutely stunning. Now before we proceed, it's essential to use a cleaner that is safe for electronics and screens. I have chosen this specific phone cleaner because it's gentle yet effective at removing smudges and fingerprints from not only glass surfaces. However, let me be upfront with you, no matter how many times I clean the sides of this phone, smudges and fingerprints will reappear in no time. I will most likely put a case on it to avoid dealing with those smudged sides. Now that the phone is powered on, we'll begin the setup. I will select my language and region and I will set up the Face ID. Face ID works and it's ready to use. Runs flawlessly. My only complaint is regarding the steering controls. I believe it's something I will need to get used to. It's quite challenging to control the vehicle with this type of virtual analog stick. But other than that, it runs perfectly. Okay, and last but not least, the Genshin Impact. I never played this open world adventure RPG, but I thought I should include this game as it's one of the most graphically intense games I know, with lots of shadows, moving parts and any other demanding elements. It puts significant strain on the A14 Bionic chip. However, as you can see, the phone handles it without any problems. With that said, let's run a quick Geekbench Score test. I'm launching the Geekbench app right now. And here you can see what we are working with. A14 with 6 gigs of RAM. Alright, let's test the iPhone 12 Pro GPU and CPU's performance. And as the test is progressing, let me show you the Geekbench scores from the devices I've tested before. And here we have it, folks, the Geekbench test is completed. The iPhone 12 Pro scored 845. Which is a testament to its impressive processing capabilities. Okay, what else? Let's wrap it up, I guess. Okay, so we unboxed this thing, we checked the device, we inspected the battery health, we explored the gaming performance, and we even ran the Geekbench score test. After all of this, I guess I will have to give a verdict. And the verdict is, I'm genuinely impressed by the iPhone 12 Pro even in late 2023. Whether you're considering a refurbished iPhone for your daily use, or you're just curious about what to expect from eBay purchases, I hope this unboxing has been informative and enjoyable for you. If you have any questions about this iPhone 12 Pro, or if there's any specific test or comparison you would like to see, please drop your thoughts in the comments below. And of course, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more unboxing and reviews. And if you made it up to this point, bro, you're an absolute legend. I appreciate you, and I will see you in the next one. Alright, Joey signing out. Have a good one, everyone.